Understanding dirt cheap, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Specifically, we'll explore the phrase, dirt cheap. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about English expressions, this video is for you. Let's unravel the meaning behind this interesting phrase together. The phrase, dirt cheap, refers to something being extremely inexpensive. It's used to describe a price so low, it's almost unbelievable. The word, dirt, in this context suggests abundance and low value, implying that the item in question costs almost as little as soil, which is plentiful and cheap. Understanding the origin of idioms can be really helpful in remembering them. The phrase, dirt cheap, dates back to the early 19th century. The idea is that dirt, soil, is something that's everywhere and usually doesn't cost much, if anything. So, when something is as cheap as dirt, it's very affordable. Let's see how this idiom can be used in everyday conversations. 1. I bought this dress for only $10. It was dirt cheap. 2. You won't believe the price of these books. They were selling them dirt cheap at the garage sale. These examples show how dirt cheap can be used to express surprise or satisfaction at the low cost of something. When using dirt cheap, remember, it's usually used for objects or services, not experiences. It's informal, so it's best used in casual conversations, not formal writing. And that's all about the phrase, dirt cheap. Remember, idioms like this one add color and flair to your English. I hope this video helps you understand and use dirt cheap confidently in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.